I'll show you quickly how gears work. Gears don't fit perfectly tight. Engineers always leave small gaps on purpose. Oil matters, and to understand why, we'll start with a planetary gear system. A planetary gear has three main parts: the sun gear in the center, the planet gears around it, and the ring gear, the outer gear, with teeth on the inside. The planet gears spin around the sun gear, while at the same time rolling inside the ring gear. By locking or spinning different parts, you can get more torque, more speed, or even reverse direction. In simple terms, a planetary gear changes power and speed. By letting small gears move around a center gear inside a ring. Now let's go back to the engineering behind this. Gears are never placed tightly against each other. If they were, friction would build up. Friction creates heat, and when metal heats up, it expands. Look at this animation. Two metal parts are rubbing directly against each other. There's no bearing, no rolling, no space. As they move, friction increases. Heat builds up. The metal expands. The movement slows down. The surfaces start to grind, and step by step, the system locks up and fails. That's why gears are never designed to touch tightly. To prevent this, engineers use oil. Gear oil creates a thin protective film between the teeth. Instead of metal grinding on metal, the gears glide over the oil layer. This reduces friction, removes heat, and prevents wear. Without oil, even perfectly designed gears would fail very quickly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.